Today, we're diving into the MSI MPG GUNGNIR 300R Airflow, a premium mid-tower gaming case designed to elevate your gaming rig to new heights. Let's start with the aesthetics. The tempered glass side panel offers a sleek and modern look, allowing you to showcase your high-performance components with pride. But it's not just about looks. This case is all about performance too. Packed with 3 impressive 200mm addressable RGB fans and an additional 120mm ARGB fan, you'll experience unparalleled airflow and cooling efficiency. Plus, with support for liquid cooling up to a 360mm radiator, you can push your system to the limits without worrying about overheating. One standout feature is the inclusion of the 1:8 ARGB LED hub, providing you with endless customization options to create a truly unique gaming setup. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or a vibrant light show, MSI Mystic Light integration allows you to sync your lighting effects with other compatible MSI components for a cohesive look. In terms of practicality, the cable management system ensures a tidy interior, reducing clutter and improving airflow for optimal performance. And with 2 USB 2.0 ports conveniently located at the front, you have easy access to connect your peripherals without hassle. Overall, the MSI MPG GUNGNIR 300R Airflow is a top-tier gaming case that combines style, performance, and functionality seamlessly. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this case is sure to take your gaming experience to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.